na kaya pa kang nahihiwagaan. Ang bagyo ng tadhana ay dinadala ko sa init ng isip mo. Ba't di ba sabihin ang hindi mo maamin? Ipauubayan na lang bago sa hangin. Huwag mong ikatakot ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Narito ako makikinig sa'yo. Narito ako. La 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 la, hey. La la la. Dati papatulan ang pagsuyong nagulang. Tayong umasa, hilag at kanluran. Ikaw ang hatungan at bilang kanlungan mo. O ang sasagip sa'yo, o ang sasagip sa'yo. Ako ang sasagip sa'yo.
Sagip sa'yo.
O ang sasagip sa'yo. Thank you very much. Sige, where's the next song ulit? Magdadrive ako hanggang Baguio. Magdadrive ako hanggang Bicol. Magdadrive ako hanggang Batangas. Tapos magsuswimming doon sa beach. Isasama ko ang girlfriends ko. Dami ah. Isasama ko kahit sinong may gusto. Kahit may kasama siya aso. Daming aso dito. Basta't meron siyang baong sariling buto. Magdadala ako ng pagkain. Burger, fries, tapsilog at siopaw. Magdadrive ako hanggang Visayas. Magdadrive ako hanggang Mindanao. Magdadrive ako buong taon. Magdadrive ako habang buhay. Magdadrive ako hanggang buwan. Please, please lang turuan niyo akong mag-drive. Gusto kong matutong mag-drive.
Kahit na wala akong kotse.
Gusto kong matutong mag-drive.
Kahit na walang esensya.
Thank you very much. Ayan. Yung mga kabataan ngayon ayan, galing po yun sa EHEDS, syempre alam na alam yan. Kaya maraming salamat, Sir Ellie, sa pag-hiram. Jake. Pahiram ng song. Nandito po si Ellie, pwede yan. Nakalikod lang. Anyway, itong next song namin, para sa mga nagbe-break up pa lang, pero mahal mo pa rin yung isa't isa kahit medyo malayo na. Sino ba niyo? Wala ba dito nun? Taas ang kamay. Para sa inyo itong kantan to. Oh. Tapos na ang lahat, dito pa rin ako. Ito nakatulala sa mundo, sa mundo. Di mo maisip, di mo makikita, mga pangarap ko para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Hindi ko maisip kung wala ka. Sa buhay ko. Nariyan ka pa ba? Hindi ka na matanaw. Kung merong magdaraan pasunlo, pasunlo. Hindi ko maisip wala ka. Sa buhay ko. This one now, keep on. Sundan mo ang pag-ibig ng lulan ng aking pinagtatango. Sundan mo ang pag-ibig ko. Hindi ko maisip kung wala ka. Sa buhay ko. Thank you very much. Sige, a few songs ago, Thank you very much sa pakikinig kami mga Alibata. Thank you very much sa lahat. Friday! Every Friday, kinamon kami kung gusto nyo pumunta. Sa Libalon, abangan nyo lang kami. Para sa mga kabataan nandito ngayong gabi. Oh! Para sa mga papasok sa PBB. Para sa barkada namin, may pangarap na nangis sa bukid. Pangarap namin tagumpay sa lahat ng gagawin. Iba na tayo ngayon, walang di magagawa. Sabihin mo, kaya natin to. Kabataang Pinoy, pagbutihan mo, pag-asa ka ng buong mundo. Kabataang Pinoy, kaya mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Hamon sa buhay, hanggang napanan, kaya namin yan. Paglalaban namin ang nararapat at tamang gagawin. Iba na tayo ngayon, matibay ang loob. Sabihin mo, kaya natin to. Kabataang Pinoy, pagbutihan mo, pag-asa ka ng buong mundo. Kabataang Pinoy, kaya mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Everybody sing, come on. Kabataang Pinoy, pagbutihan mo, pag-asa ka ng buong mundo. Kabataang Pinoy, kayang-kaya mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Kabataang Pinoy, pagbutihan mo, pag-asa ka ng buong mundo. Kabataang Pinoy, kayang-kaya mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Alright, peace and sigaw. Alright, para sa mga hangin ng sablay, para sa inyo. Minsan huwag kang magulat kung bigla akong magkalat. Mula pa nung pagkabata, mistulo ulan ng tanga, san-san nadadapa, sang-san bumabangga, ang puso ko kawawa, may pag-asa pa ba? Ayoko nang mag-sorry. Sawa na kong magsisi, pasensya ka na. Mabilis lang ako mataranta. Everybody sing! Ako ang hindi makasabay, sabay sa hangin ang ating buhay. Hari ng sablay, o ang hari ng sablay, ako ang hari. Ako ang hari. Oh! Sampung mali, ganyan ako pumili, di na mababawi ang puso ko sawi. Daig pa ang telenovela, kung ako ay magdrama, ganyan ba talaga? Hindayan kita na. Ayoko nang mag-sorry. Sawa na kong magsisi, pasensya ka na. Mabilis lang ako mataranta. Everybody sing! Ako ang hari ng sablay, o ang hari ng sablay, hindi makasabay, sabay sa hangin ang ating buhay. Hari ng sablay, o ang hari ng sablay, ako ang hari. Ako ang hari. Everybody, here we go. Ayaw ko lang mag-sorry. Sawa na kong magsisi, pasensya ka na. Mabilis lang akong mataranta. Ako ang hari ng sablay, o ang hari ng sablay, hindi makasabay, sabay sa hangin ang ating buhay. Hari ng sablay, ako ang hari ng sablay, ako ang hari. Ako ang hari. Thank you very much. Bago po kami mag-last song, na-acknowledge po natin ang ating mahal na Mayor John Bongat. Mayor John Bongat, greeting po. Anyway, we're gonna sing the last song. Last song po namin para sa inyo, syempre. Hindi ito maaalis sa mga songs namin. Dahil sa first album namin, salamat sa nagsuporta nito. Pwede nyo pa rin i-request sa mga radio stations. Yan. Yan. Thank you! Kami pong Alibat na magandang gabi. Happy Charter Anniversary, ladies and gentlemen. Salamat sa lahat ng mga Bicolano na nagsuporta nito. Come on, Jay! Sarong bangli sa higaan, nakadangog ako, minhuni sarong gam-gam sa luba ko, katulad bakundisi mong boses, iyo pala. Dagos ako bangon si sa kuyang mata, ipinubla. Katong kabigluman ako, nangalakalan. Sa kuyang paghiling pasiring sa itas. Sibong lao, nahilig ko mangiwanan. Sarong bagyo sa higaan, nakadangog ako, minhuni sarong gam-gam sa luba ko, katulad bakundisi mong boses, iyo pala. Dagos ako bangon si sa kuyang mata, ibinukla. Katong kabigluman ako, nangalakalan. Sa kuyang paghiling pasiring sa itas. Sibong naon, dahil ko mangiwanan. Thank you very much, boss. Ano ka, boss? Thank you very much. Kami pong alibata. Salamat, salamat. Dagos ako bangon si sa kuyang mata, katong kabigluman ako, nangalakalan. Sa kuyang paghiling pasiring sa itan. Sibong naon, dahiling ko mangiwanan. Sibong naon, dahiling ko mangiwanan. Oh, sibong naon, dahiling ko mangiwanan. Sibong nahiling. Diyos mabalos, ano ka, boss? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bubbly, bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly. Set it. You see that girl with the big tic tac, she fi gimme the. Head to the floor, girl, gimme the. Bend over, girl, and gimme the. Spit down to the ground, seismic activity. Spin round me, girl, gimme the. Top wine, girl, and gimme the. Body look fine, girl, gimme the. Body look good, girl, you ever be winning it. Turn it up right, girl, you never be dimming it. Shake up your body, cause you're in element. Pon your body, me take up a permanent residence. Rotate your body, come me love, you're spinning it. Rotate your body, come me love, you're spinning it. Rotate your body, come me love, you're spinning it. Make the trumpets blow. Make the trumpets blow. Make the trumpets blow. Sound the trumpets.
Like this. Like this. Like this. Sound check, sound check. Like this. This. Like this, like this. Like this. Like this. Sound check, sound check.
Na ba ang iyong
Sound
mga
check.
paa? Handa nang umalis, mag-iwaliw at umarga. Hindi na lang taga dito ka. Singdami ng hapon, ang dami ng isla.
Sound check. Like this.
It's more fun in the
Yes, like this.
Philippines. Bakit malalayo?
Like this. Sound check.
Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapa ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit malalayo?
Sound check.
Ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the
Sound check.
Philippines. Nandito ng lahat, saan pa pupunta? Malalim ang dagat at mababaw ang ligaya. Halatang Pilipino ka, abot langit ang iyong ngiti. Layin ang masasaya. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit malalayo?
Sound check. Like this. Sound check.
Nakatapa ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Sound check, sound check.
Bakit malalayo? Inabot ka na isang tangulo. Iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the
Sound check. Hello, hello. Sound check. Mic test. Sound check. Okay. Sound check. Sound check.
Good evening, Naga City! Happy 68th Charter Anniversary! Ayan mga kaibigan, yung mga katabi nyo dyan, kindly greet them! Happy 68th Anniversary! Greet nyo yung mga katabi nyo kasi it's the 68th birthday of Naga. Kung tao si Naga, senior citizen na siya, di ba partner?
Na siya, partner.
Yes, makakalibre na din siya sa SM City Naga, sa sinihan. Kung tao si Naga. So kindly greet yung mga katabi nyo ng
Yes,
happy anniversary.
Kilala man o hindi ka kilala, batiin!
Sige na guys, malay nyo, mahanap nyo ang forever nyo.
Si Mr. Destiny na ba
Yan,
yan?
sabihin nyo, Brad, pare, cute, miss, happy
Yeah.
68th Charter Anniversary.
Yes, and before we start, nais lamang po namin pasalamatan ang Alibata Band for performing kanina. Wow, nakakakilig yung songs kanina, partner.
Yes, that's right. Napakaganda ng boses. I wish I had that golden voice of the vocalist of Alibata. And to formally welcome us in the 68th anniversary of Naga, let us call on stage Honorable Mayor John G. Bongat.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our Honorable Mayor John G. Bongat. Palakpakan naman po guys. Maraming salamat po Mayor for being here tonight.
So ayan, kung may mga friends pa kayo na gustong manood, kindly invite them kasi in a few minutes, we would begin with the dance proper.
Yes, live na live tayo, partner.
Yes, live tayo sa GNN Channel 48 as well as the live streaming on Facebook. So ayan, we'll be right back in a few minutes. Thank you
Stay
so much.
tuned. Mic test, mic test.
na lang taga dito ka. Sing dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit ba lalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit ba lalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Hulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines. Smiling, singing, parking, waiting, tapping, talking, hopping, sleeping.
More fun!
Frostbite,
Bonfire! Double-decker!
history,
Hanging out!
biology,
Open out!
geometry,
Working out!
chemistry.
Dining out! More fun!
Ang dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit ba lalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Hulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines. Kati-kati na ba ang iyong mga paa? Handa nang umalis, mag-iwaliw at lumarga. Buti na lang taga dito ka. Sing dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit ba lalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit ba lalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Hulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines. Nandito ng lahat, saan pa pupunta? Malalim ang dagat at mababaw ang ligaya. Halatang Pilipino ka, abot langit ang iyong ngiti. Lahi ng masasaya. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit ba lalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit ba lalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Hulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines. Smiling, singing, parking, waiting, tapping, talking, hopping, sleeping.
More fun!
Frostbite,
Bonfire! Double-decker!
history,
Hanging out!
biology,
Open out!
geometry,
Working out!
chemistry.
Dining out! More fun!
Ang dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines. Ready na ba ang iyong mga paa? Handa nang umalis, mag-iwaliw at lumarga. Buti na lang taga dito ka. Sing dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit pa lalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit pa lalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Mulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines. Nandito ng lahat, saan pa pupunta? Malalim ang dagat at mababaw ang ligaya. Halatang Pilipino ka. Abot langit ang iyong ngiti. Lahi ng masasaya. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit pa lalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapak ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit pa lalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Mulo, iba ang saya ng Pilipino. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Smiling, singing,
driving,
parking,
waiting,
tapping,
jogging, hopping,
resting,
sleeping,
more fun!
frostbite,
Bonfire, double-decker,
history,
hanging out,
biology,
moving out,
geometry,
working out,
chemistry.
dining out, more fun!
Ang dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Good evening once again. In 5 minutes, we would begin with the contest proper.
Mic test.
Sound check, hey, 1, 2, sound check. Sound check, 1, 2, check. Sound, hey, check, 1, 2. Hey, check, sound, check. Alright, we would like to request all the dance group to please stand by. In 5 minutes, we are going to begin the competition. Group number 8, No Limit, asan po ang tugtog nyo?
Make the trumpets blow.
Once again, good evening, Naga City! Oh, I'm expecting a response. I'm expecting a response, partner. Once again, good evening, Naga City!
Mahina ata, partner. Isa pa. Buhay pa ba kayo? Good evening, Naga City!
Ayan, thank you sa mga nagre-reply sa mga snap. Thank you din. Sana mabuhayan kayo sa mga performance mamaya.
Yes, ang ating mga energetic performances later, partner. Pero before we begin, magpapakilala muna kami.
Yes, of course.
I'm Sam Foliante.
And I'm Angelo Espinosilia, your host for tonight. So ayan, partner, kamusta ka na? Since pasok ka na, kamusta ang buhay estudyante?
Well, partner, mahirap. Pero, syempre, walang choice kundi go lang ng go. So, partner, how are you feeling tonight?
Ako parang kahapon lang, we're hosting the
Yes.
closing of the Youth Month at andyan ka na naman ang napakaganda kong partner.
Thank you, partner. Syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang napakagwapo kong partner.
Yes,
So,
sige,
ayan.
tatanggapin natin ang pambobola ng mga babae ngayong gabi. Napakagwapo daw.
So, ayan, partner. Before we begin, ano nga ba ang mangyayari sa atin for tonight?
So as I've heard, we would be having, of course, our backdrop here, the Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016.
Siguro tuningin muna natin ang ating audience. Excited na ba kayo sa ating mga contestants for tonight?
Medyo ang naririnig ko is yung radio, so let's hear the live audience. Excited na ba kayo? Yan, I'm hearing
Pero
screams.
at least may nagre-response na, partner. So, later, we're going to have our 10 very competitive contestants na magpe-perform for us tonight.
Yes, 10 very good performers because last June 11, for the information of everyone, the elimination round was held at the Naga City People's Hall, and the top 10 performers.
Wow, top 12.
Yes, they were chosen to perform here on stage tonight, so that our judges would be choosing the supreme dancer for our dance competition tonight, partner.
Talagang i-expect ng ating audience for tonight na talagang magiging mainit ang labanan later.
Yes, mainit, sing-init ng pagmamahal ko sa'yo, partner. Well, anyway, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. This event would not be possible without the help of this sponsor. First thing first, we have the City Government of Naga, headed by Honorable John G. Bongat, our very own mayor.
Yes, talaga naman support tayo. And we also have City Events Protocol and Public Information Office, headed by Mr. Alan L. Riodanga.
This event is co-sponsored by
Boardwalk Naga,
Barangay 101.5 Tugstugana.
GNN TV48 Naga,
Of course, we have our official tabulator coming from STI College Naga.
and syempre, IMJ Interactive. Alam mo ba, partner, na live tayo both in GNN TV48 Naga and IMJ Interactive.
So, artista tayo ngayong gabi,
Yes,
partner.
hindi na tayo, kundi lahat tayo. Kaya
Yes.
mag-respondan naman.
Kaya yung mga audience natin dyan, papogi at pagpaganda na kayo, smile kasi baka matutukan kayo ng camera and you would be seen in the entire Bicol region if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they are the unsung heroes. They toil without seeking for rest. Planning this event requires tremendous amount of effort as well as time. So pasalamatan natin ang mga unsung heroes natin headed by the project head / organizer of the Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016, Sir Jeff Akas. Palakpakan naman natin, guys.
Very, kanina pang busy project head. Talagang very successful.
With his team, the production.
Mr. Cedric Payablak, MJ Julia, and our central staff, Lisa Ida, Chloe, Leonor, Reynald, Ray, Rick, Bert, Cormaine, Eric, Yalina, Pep, and Ariel. Yes, without these people talaga wala nang ating support partner.
Salamat sa ating also, pasalamatan din natin ang napakahalagang mga tao dito sa gabing ito. Ang ating audience, maraming salamat. They could have gone to other places but they choose to be here to celebrate with us in the 68th Charter Anniversary of Naga. So maraming salamat. Palakpakan nyo naman ang inyong mga sarili.
Yes, for being here kaya nakukulit sila binigyan. Na syempre, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga contestants na masasakyan natin sa kanilang pinaghirapan na mga performances, partner.
Of course, kung meron tayong matitibay na mga performers, we also have our top judges. So let's introduce them.
So, partner, for our first judge for tonight, we have a former member of LRV Dancers, a former member of Rogers Dance Group, a member of RISE Dance Company, former dancer and choreographer of Team Naga Dancers. He is also a former choreographer of Dancers Dance and Majorette, who won three-time champion of the National Dance and Majorette Competition and Exhibition in Muntinlupa and Bacoor, Cavite. He also attended the Douglas Niera Dance Workshop in 2010 and 2012, and he also attended the G-Force Project in 2009. Ladies and gentlemen, our first guest, Mr. Francis Limon.
Palakpakan naman natin si Sir. Thank you, Sir. Our
Kaway,
next
kaway.
judge, ladies and gentlemen, is a choreographer and director of Vince Academy. If I'm not mistaken, this is the dance group of USI. He is also the leader of Side FX and a member of Rise Dance Company and a former ACAP member. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. Gerard Narcones.
Yan, para sa ating third judge, he is the graduate of Special Program in the Arts and Visual Dance, a former member of Naga Smiles Performing Arts, chairman of this dance intensity in the years 2014 to 2015. He also performed in Showtime and one of the representatives of Bicol Region in the National Dance Championship NDC and NCC Hip Hop Co-Ed Division in 2016. Our third judge, Miss Gabrielle Nicole Gorgitorena.
Yan,
Yes,
palakpakan naman
looking very
dyan.
beautiful.
And our next judge, ladies and gentlemen, KMFM 100.7. He's also the president of the Naga City Press Corporation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand to Mr. Roy San Ramon.
And our last but definitely not the least judge, he is a branch sales supervisor of Boardwalk Business Venture Incorporated, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Management at Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University in Mid-La Union Campus, San Fernando, La Union, and a certified trainer partner. He is Mr. Alfred Arangurin II. Ayan, a round of applause para sa ating judges na mamaya I know mahihirapan sa ating 10 contestants for
mahirapan
tonight.
talaga. So thank you, sir and ma'am, for spending us your time and effort. Ayan, to guide our judges as well as the audience para matukoy kung sino talaga ang mananalo sa Dance Supremacy 2016. Let us read the criteria for judging.
First up, we have the choreography, which includes creativity, artistry, style, and originality. It's 50%.
We also have execution. We have here timing and coordination, projection, as well as the facial and body expression, which is 30%.
Our costume, which is 10%.
And also the participation of our audience, the audience impact, which is 10%. A total of 100%. At para naman ganahan ng ating mga performers,
Yes.
para malaman nila kung ano ang pinaglalabanan dito.
Buti pa to, partner, may pinaglalabanan.
Yes,
So, for our second placer, the contestants will be receiving 5,000 pesos. Wow,
5,000
partner.
peso imagine for the second placer. At sa ating first placer naman, they would be receiving 8,000 Philippine peso.
Wow, kung ang second placer and first placer pa lang is 5,000, 8,000. Syempre, para sa ating grand champion for this year's Dance Showdown, they will be receiving an amount of 12,000 pesos.
12,000 pesos.
Wow, pang
So ayan, wag na natin patagalin pa, partner. Mga excited na ang ating mga audience. Tawagin na natin ang ating contestant number 1.
Make the trumpets blow. Make the trumpets blow.
Yon matigas pa sa bato, di mo kayang buwagin, itaga mo sa bato. Humhang manggagamit kay walang paninindigan, dapat kang tinisin para di na pamarisan.
Here we go from the film Beat the World. Let's rock.
Long time no see, long time no see.
Let's go.
Go, 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 go,
Isang malaking katatawanan ng paghihimagsik ang inyong kupuna!
Hasta la vista, baby.
Nigga stop sway, 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 nigga sway, sway, sway.
Let's go.
Humanda sa mga payasong mandirigma!
Come on!
Madaming nagyata ang mga sama pero ang aming hindi pa matapat at hindi kami pagkakaan at kayo pinakarangan kung ang pinasnayayan mo sa pagsakit kahit saan ka pasingalan papapili pinatagos ng kawapanak at iwanang bukan ang sa amin ay napipilipin.
Let's get it on.
Ayan, palakpakan para sa ating first contestant. Once again, thank you guys. So ayan, very hot performance for our first contestant
mga
partner.
clown sila partner, pero masyado silang seryoso. Parang ako, pinapasaya ka pero seryoso sa nararamdaman ko. Anyway, sa ating contestant number 2, para ipakilala ang ating contestant number 2, ladies and gentlemen, let's all watch this.
The Brothers, 3 years na kaming magkakasama sa Kami po pala ang The Brothers. 3 years na kaming magkakasama sa pagsasayaw. Ang membro ng grupo namin ay mga estudyante, ang iba naman ay nagtatrabaho. Ang pinakamahirap na challenge sa aming grupo, kapag ang iba ay may problema sa pamilya, problema sa love life, problema sa bawat isa sa amin kapag may lumalaki ang ulo. Hanggat meron pang naniniwala sa pinuno ng grupo, hanggat nag-i-stick sila sa kanilang grupo, hindi pa kami magwawatak-watak. Ang turing namin sa bawat isa, magkakapatid kami, walang iwanan kami. Ang Brothers ay isang masayang grupo, tawanan lang kami. Pag may problema ang isa, sandigan. Ang sayaw na to ay para sa lahat ng mga naniniwala sa aming mga manonood. Gusto naming pasayahin ang mga sumusuporta at kahit hindi sumusuporta sa amin.
Ay! Ano pa di? Nagigiramdaman mo pa ka nagbabarili pa kita, ha? Ay, iyo pa pa di. Kaya mo pa. Maray pa testing ang tagiraray. Humanda! Magburuat ka mo!
Oh, yan na.
Bulan! Ibang bigat! Aray! Nagkulong si piyeg ko! Teka, Matiro! Ilutan ka!
Ayos na ang buto-buto. Ayos na ang buto-buto. Ayos na galaw-galaw.
Maduman pa lang kamo. Pabalik na kami. Ano? Kaya ninyo to? At maling mga kurang ni at ang sisilut. Marilig! Marilig!
Original Playboys.
For all the times that you rain on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name.
Hoy! Nag-ano ka hindi? Umuli ka na daw! Uli! Uli!
Gusto ko magbaylig! Gusto ko magbaylig! Gusto ko magbaylig!
Sige na daw! Magpwesto ka na duman!
Yay! Come on, yo!
Wala bang palakpakan dyan, ha?
Tayo ay matanda na. Sana'y tayo magkabago. Kailangan nasan natin ang
Hello, Juan! Nasahin ka na, ha?
Ay, sweetheart! Nagbabayli pa kami!
Baili naman! Pares ka mukhang makuapo mo! Halata nando ako dyan!
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
beautiful girl, wherever you are.
Ay, Han! Yaong ka na palan! Maray pa magbayli ka naman!
Anong klaseng baile yan? Pahipap-hipap? Pakaramping-karamping? Kaya ko man yan!
Boy, you should know that I've got you on my mind, your secret admirer. I've been watching you. At night I think of you.
tapos? Ha? Di pa kita tapos? Kala ko tapos na. Lola, di pa. Nagpupun pa lang kita.
Change the beat. Destruction.
Ano? Namiss din to kami. Alat! Ano daw kung kaya ko ni?
Ay, nako. Kaya mo yan. Tiwala lang.
Bahala na.
Back for deep with pop with deep for back for deep with pop with deep for.
Acting lang.
Panahon na!
Muna na. Ang sendo na halat.
Are you ready?
Alam mahulog! Alam mahulog! Go! 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 Alam mahulog! Alam mahulog! Go! 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 Alam mahulog! Alam mahulog! Ay halat! Bagus lang ako! Mga lola! Bagpag ka na!
Let's go!
Ay, bagal!
Thank you so much!
Wow, talaga naman nabuhayan ang sa performance na yun, partner.
Very jaw-dropping performance at nagko-compliment sa atin, partner. First, we have clowns para sa birthday party ng future kids natin. Then we have our Ninos. Anyways, let's introduce the
Para sa ating third contestant for tonight, please welcome on stage, Junior FOS.
A round of applause, please.
Umuli ka na daw! Uli! Uli!
Hands up, shawty, when you party with me, we going way back, score to 3. I say hands up, I'm good in the VIP, I got my right here with me. I say hands up, you know when you party with crooks, you gotta learn to respect it. I say hands up, everything ain't cool as the fame, ain't sweet as it looks. I say hands up, you know I'm putting some on me right before I leave out of the car. We came to party, you gon' tell us looking at me, gonna leave out the club with a. We came to party. We pop bottles like it's all free. Before I leave, I'm about to bar. We came to party. You gon' order what you want, it's on me. OG, take a look at the star. We came to party. It feels so good to live sucker free. I'm soaking it all up. While your girls fucking me, it mean the world to her. It's nothing but a to me. Look at this, get a and let them be. I'm a rap star who wants to be riding around in that car. Two in the front, in the back, got the plasma. It's
Salamat din po kami sa aming senior na mga taga-Caloocan po. Mga Kap, salamat po sa inyo dahil sa inyo may sayo kami ngayon. We love you, Kap. At special mention po kay Kuya Marvs na na kahit makulit kami palagi, di pa rin niya kami iniiwan kasi mahal namin kami.
Yan po si Aringo. Jonathan Aringo. Si Rico Nunez. Oh, next bout dito.
Boys, we fight on 3. 1, 2, 3. We fight!
Put 'em up. Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up. Hands up. Shawty, when you party with me, we going way back, quarter to 3. I said hands up. I'm good in the VIP. I got my hammer right here with me. I said hands up. You know when you party with crooks, you gotta learn to respect the jokes. I said hands up. Everything ain't cool as the fan, and shit ain't sweet as it looks. I said hands up.
Heavenly Father, we thank you for this glorious day as we fly through the sky. All the airmen say, in Jesus' name we pray, amen.
I need pilots who will put the bombers ahead of themselves.
We count our victories. By the bombers, we get to their targets. By the husbands, we return to their wives. By the fathers, we get back to their children. From the last plane to the last bullet to the last minute to the last man, we fight. Yes, sir. We fight.
We'll destroy whoever's got it coming. Tell them what to move!
Right like that.
Boom!
Woo! How do you do that?
When I come into the bedroom, cause I'm the king of the castle. Turn me on, turn me loose. Try to hit it, it's a hassle. Come give me soul out, give me hit 'em the crescendo. Bring it back, soul
Peace. Yes, I got my swagger back. Yeah. Bounce. Fire. Let's hop, hop, let's hop, 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 let's hop, hop, let's hop, hop, let's hop, hop, let's hop, 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 let's hop, hop. I'm old school. Y'all don't get it. Fights for us.
You're gonna need a new plane.
Come on!
Let's give those newspapers something to write about.
Well, you got one now.
Let's get it on.
Get it on the floor. What?
Let's get it on.
Get it on the floor. You don't wanna party and your ass gotta go. best forever. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, wave your flag, wave your flag, wave your flag, wave your flag.
Ay, thank you, Junior FY. Napakaswat na performance. Ngayon naman, partner, alam ko na kung saan mo nakuha yung mga ninja moves mo kanina. Napaka-effective, ha?
Grabe ka, partner. Nagiging ninja lang naman ng isang lalaki kapag kailangan niya ng mga techniques kung paano ma-fall ang isang babae.
Anyways, guys, so para naman makahabol yung ibang tao, yung ibang ating mga lagenyo sa fun na nare-receive natin tonight, let's make it trend. Hashtag Naga Charter Anib Dance Supremacy 2016. Once again, it's
Hashtag Naga Charter Anib Dance Supremacy 2016. So for those who are taking selfies, posting on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media accounts, kindly use our official hashtag, which is
Hashtag Naga Charter Anib Dance Supremacy 2016 para naman mas marami ang maka-join sa fun, partner.
Yes, and kung may mga friends pa kayo out there sa bahay nila, kindly invite them. The night is still young and we have 7 more performers.
Yes, talagang marami. Bibigyan pa natin ng maraming sakit ng ulo ang judges natin
Yeah, sakit
tonight.
ng ulo talaga. Pati ako nahihirapan mag-decide kung mahal ba kita or yung performers. Anyway,
Yes, nahirit!
for our 4th contender, ladies and gentlemen, let's all watch the VTR.
Roll VTR.
Kami ang JGC Talents. Nagsimula kami 2 years ago na. Bali, yung may mga datihan pero may mga baguhan na rin na ano. And nag-start kami as all-girls group pero ngayon meron na kaming mga boys sa grupo namin. Merong nag-aaral din naman halos lahat, yung iba. Pero ewan ko lang, yung iba nag-stop, nagtrabaho, yun. Pero nagkakaroon pa rin kami ng time para dito sa grupo namin. Trials, madami. Yung dumating kami sa time na nabuwag kami, tapos ayun nga, yung tipong parang di na namin alam kung mabubuo pa kami ulit. Tapos yun, dahil hindi sumusuko yung sir namin, yun, bumuo ulit kami. Kaya lang, yun nga, nag-start kami as all girls. Kaya lang, medyo yung iba, hindi na nga kinaya na makabalik. Kaya nag-compose kami ng, kumbaga, all girls with boys na. Cooperation, nagkakasundo. Tapos, ang pinaka nagpapatibay sa amin is yung friendship, tapos teamwork, tapos pamilya na rin kami. Hindi lang kami, kundi sa iba na rin. Para sa finals, practice. Nagkakaisa kami sa mga idea, sa mga para sa concept. Tapos, yun, nagkaka-disiplina sa kada isa sa oras ng practice para sa kagaganda ng routine namin. And lalo pa namin pinapaganda at inayos yung routine namin para sa darating na finals. Siyempre, inalay namin to lahat siyempre kay God. Tapos, second, sa manager namin, Sir Jerome. Tapos, yun, para sa mga pamilya namin. Tapos sa amin na rin, as a group.
Ladies and gentlemen, the JGC Talents!
Snake!
loca, ven pa' acá, come here. Oye, loca, ven pa' acá, come here. Oye, loca, ven pa' acá. Let's go. Si tú quieres que te todas, si tú quieres que te todas. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Come on. Fuck 69 Bounce.
Up the volume so we're laughing on the dial. Turning up the volume so we're laughing on the dial.
Write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick rewrite it, plug it, play it, burn it, rip it, drag and drop it. One more time. One more time. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's race apart and our close to the stars. Say.
Gotta fly now.
I'll be gone for 3 weeks.
One day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard, the day just seems so dark. The moon, the stars, and nothing with you. Don't be kind to cry when you are gone. But the feeling's overwhelming, it's just too strong. Can I lay by your side? Next to you. And I don't want to be here if I can't be with you. This the remix. Let's do it. I like the way you do that right there. Right there. Walk and let down your hair. I like the way you do that right there. Right there.
Let's rock.
just the beginning.
Make the trumpets blow.
Thank you so much, JGC Talents. Indeed, you are a group full of talents.
Yes, once again, partner, live na live tayo sa GNN TV48 Naga. And also, yung para sa mga friends natin na wala dito, you can watch us live stream at www.imjinteractive.com.
Yan, kung hindi makakapunta yung mga friends nyo, tag nyo na lang sa post nyo using our official hashtag, which is hashtag Naga Charter Anib Dance Supremacy 2016.
So ayan, partner, sabay na natin i-welcome on stage our 5th contestant,
J Doll! A round of applause, please!
I'm Chucky. I'm your friend to the end. I'm Chucky. So, wanna something, isn't it?
I'm one of the most notorious slashers in history, and I don't want to give that up.
I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi Ho!
Sorry, Jack. Chucky's back. You are so dead. You are so dead. You are so dead. Save me.
I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
But somewhere, it has to start sometime.
Killer dog!
Tiff?
Chucky?
Come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it burn the mate. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Man, this is the gift that has been given to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it burn the mate. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Oh,
Come to me.
At the count of three, all the party people make some noise. 1, 2, 3.
Messieurs, s'il vous plaît, soyez prêts pour Aaron Chupa et Natasha Rhodes. C'est parti!
Fuck that little mouse, cause I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross. I got it. Ooh, I see ya. Ooh, I see ya.
Mesdames et messieurs,
Ooh, I see ya.
soyez prêts pour Aaron Chupa.
I'm an albatross. So I'm an albatross.
Put the music up inside my session. These folks gotta hear my message. You put that beat on, I beat on this track to relieve my stresses. Back up. Everybody go home, just pack up. We plugged it to the highest power, that's why we ain't gotta act up.
This is it.
I love you, Chucky.
I know.
We belong together forever. Kiss me.
I'll be back. I always come back.
Make the trumpets blow.
Wow, what a crowd! Grabe ang ating impact! Once again, thank you, Jay Dunn! That was a very sexy and energetic performance. So yes, before siguro mag-move on tayo, partner, sa ating next contestant, siguro quick selfie para naman iparating natin ang hashtag natin for tonight. Guys, hindi ba kayo makipag-selfie with us?
Yes, oh my God, vain na vain ka. So tara, bilisan natin. Guys, selfie tayo at pausuin ang ating official hashtag. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Yan, pasensya na sa mga hindi nakasama. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, tama na ang Vainity Sam. Itatag na lang namin
salamat,
kayo. Yan, so nakalahati na natin ang ating mga performers. 5 na at may 5 pa. So at this juncture, pasalamatan ulit natin ang ating mga sponsors at ang mga tao behind this event. The unsung hero kung sasabihin. So we have first the city government of Naga, headed by our beloved Mayor Honorable John G. Bonga.
We have the City Events Protocol and Public Information Office, headed by our very own Mr. Alan L. Leonanga.
So thank you so much. We also have our co-sponsor.
First off, we have Boardwalk Naga.
We also have Barangay 101.5 Tugstugana.
GNN TV 48 Naga na talaga namang live na live tayo for tonight.
Yes, our official tabulator as well, the STI College Naga.
And syempre, available for live stream, www.imjinteractive.com.
And we also have the committee, the production crew, and the volunteers, yung mga nakikita natin sa side, yung cameraman, yung lights and sound. Maraming salamat, most especially sa ating project head / organizer of the Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016, Sir Jeff Erson. Ayan si Sir sa side ng stage.
Syempre, together with our beloved project head, we have the production staff with Mr. Cedric Cayabia, MJ Julia and our Sepio staff, Miss Saida, Chloe, Ian Moore, Reynald, Ray, Vic, Bert, June, Charmaine, Ermi, Kuya Lito, Tio Peps, MJ Posikin, and our
natin ang ating mga participants, ang ating judges, at ang ating audience.
Audience na talagang buhay na buhay pa
Yes,
hanggang
in behalf of the CEPIO and the local government of Naga, we would like to extend our full-hearted and deepest gratitude to you all. And again, to remind our judges as well as our performers and audience about the criteria for judging. Partner, kindly read the criteria.
So first, we have the choreography, which includes creativity, artistry, style, and originality, 50%.
We also have the execution, which includes the timing and coordination, the projection, and the facial and body expression, which is 30%.
We also have ang ating costume, which is 10%.
And of course, ang sigawan, palakpakan. So you're a key person, key people rather here. Because the audience impact is 10%. A total of 100%. So ayan, wag na nating patagalin pa.
Excited na ako, partner. Sino ba ang ating next contestant for tonight?
Para kilalanin ang ating 6th contender, ladies and gentlemen, eyes on the screen. A Squad.
Have you ever wondered what it would be like? Have you ever wondered what it would be like? Dancers. Ladies and gentlemen, as promised, I'd like to present to you a sneak peek at the next step of the evolution of dance.
So we're having a technical difficulty here. Ayan. So let's do our job as MC partner.
The trumpets blow.
Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Siguro, konting interaction sa ating audience.
Sige, sige. Oh, we have here. Ayan, hi pala sa ating Fox Riders Club Incorporation Naga, headed by Mr. Joey Peña. So, hi Sir Joey and company.
Ayan, magpasalamat muna siguro tayo, partner.
So again, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the City Government of Naga headed by Honorable John G. Bonga.
We also have our city events protocol and public information office headed by our very own Mr. Alan Leodanga.
The co-sponsors of this event, we have
Boardwalk Naga,
Barangay 101.5 Tugstuga na,
GNN TV 48 Naga na live naman tayo. So, hi po kay Sir Mike sa ating cameraman. Hi Sir Mike Regalado. Thank you sir for
Sana
capturing us.
mga gwapo at magaganda kami dyan.
We hope na maging artista na kami after this.
Yes, maraming salamat sa STI College Naga for lending us your mathematicians para maging official tabulator.
And syempre, INJ Interactive na live naman tayo sa kanilang website. It's www.injinteractive.com.
At syempre ang ating very industrious and responsible committee and staff headed by the project head / organizer of the Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016, Sir Jeff Erson.
Maraming salamat, sir. And also together with the production staff, we have Mr. Cedric Ayafrab, Mary Jean and our studio staff, Miss Zaida, Chloe, Ian Reynolds, Vic, Bert, June, Hermine, Ernie, Kuya Lito, and Rayo Pep, and Jay Positive, our Steph, our Kuya Arlen. So ayan guys, maraming salamat.
So ayan, partner, alam mo ba kung anong isineselebrate natin ngayon?
Syempre, partner, it's our very own 68th charter anniversary. Wow, partner, 68 years.
Yan, so partner, konting trivia lang para sa'yo at para sa mga audience kasi I did my homework. Alam nyo ba kung saan nagsimula ang word na Naga at kung bakit Naga ang pangalan ng ating pinakamamahal na syudad? Anyone, raise your hand, any brave soul. Bakit Naga ang pangalan ng ating syudad?
Oh, ayan, may kiss daw kay partner.
Yeah, actually, nalaman ko yan kay Sir kanina dun sa nakakuha pa kami ng mag. Thank you, Sir. So, alam nyo ba kung bakit Naga ang pangalan ng syudad natin? Kasi in my 18 year of existence, di ko alam kung bakit Naga.
So, yung mga tao kanina pa, may questions kasi na 50 flash. So, yung mga nakikinig or interested, sino nakakaalam?
Anyone? So, for the sake of everybody, merong brave soul dito.
Yes!
Sino? Yes,
Turuan ba to? Turuan test?
Mukhang nahihiya siya. So, for the record, for the knowledge, for the information of everyone.
Ayan na. Hi, Kuya!
Hi, Kuya. Ang Naga ay mula sa salitang hindi niya alam. So, partner, sabihin na natin ang Naga.
Ano nga ba ito, partner?
Tinawag na Naga ang ating lugar kasi when the Spanish arrived, madaming Nara dito. And ang tawag sa Nara by that time is Naga. So, kaya naging Naga City. Yan. Wala bang mga kamay dyan?
Wow, palakpakan natin si partner.
Thank you so much. Positive reinforcement increases the behavior. So, madami pa tayo siguro trivia, partner. May trivia pa na tayo dyan.
Mamaya mag-upload kami with more videos, pero I think it's time to remind our judges na feeling ko kayo na pa nagkakaroon ng ulo. For our criteria for tonight, so partner naman ang ating first criteria. Natitignan natin mga judges.
Sa ating first criteria, we have the choreography, which includes creativity, artistry, style, and originality, which is 50% the biggest of all.
Next up, we have execution, which includes timing and coordination, projection and expression. Kaya naman kanina, grabe talaga yung emotions sa ating mga contestants. Which is 30%.
Also, we have the costume. Makikita naman natin iba-iba ang mga nakabarok ng ninja. Very effort. Because that is 10% of the criteria.
Siyempre, ito na ang role ng ating audiences. Magiging factor sila sa criteria. For audience impact, we have 10%. Kaya naman kung mga paborito kayong grupo, support na guys. Kasi mag-score na ating mga judges.
That's a total of 100%. Share mo lang, partner, nung pa nahulog ang phone ko. Buti na lang naka-airplane mode. Alright, once again, let's give it up for Ace Coach!
Have you ever wondered what it would be like? Dancers. Ladies and gentlemen, as promised, I'd like to present to you a sneak peek at the next step of the evolution of dance.
Unique, one unique, ain't not normal. Put the fire boy, test your potential.
It's a ring, it's a ring. A little Frankenstein with a little shabba rings. A trainer Jamaican girl that like Cuban links. That I wanna like Lil Kim and Bikini Ming. No limit soldier with a bunch of little tanks. Hit a warehouse, make a nigga feel a pain. Blood stain, a whip I made for 2 gold chains. White gold and a gun like cocaine. Rari and Jaguar, 2 4 lanes. Out the window like nigga money ain't a thing. Most I do is a little codeine. Couple jolly ranchers with a 4 ring.
Couple jolly ranchers, put nigga in a bandana. 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 Now let me see your hands up. Now let me see your hands up. Let me see your hands up. Now let me see your hands up. Now let me see your hands up. Now let me see your hands up. Everybody now let me see your hands. Now let me see your hands. Now let me see your hands up. Everybody now let me see your hands. Now let me see. Now let me. 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 Now
Time to get off of the ground.
Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now.
Time to get off of the ground.
Hands up, everybody now let me see your hands up. Everybody now let me see your hands up. Everybody now let me see your hands up. Right now.
Well, well, well. If it isn't the one and only trash of the universe. Ain't that a shame? That bitch is dirty in the dark. Watch the hook. I take your poppy in your pocketbook. I take your poppy in your pocketbook. I take your poppy in your pocketbook. Watch the hook. I take your poppy in your pocketbook. 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 I take your pocket in your pocketbook. I take your pocket in your pocketbook.
Hey squad.
Play me a beat so I feel complete like a pancake mixed with hoes in a twister. This quick, never been this thick. How you think a bad bitch got like this? Storming the girls 40 days, 40 nights, and I still got my 10, so I bitch does it right. Kissing bros like a 12 on a lawn, 40-inch weed with a golden palm.
So, ang ating shorter anniversary, did you know na through Republic Act number 205,
Wow.
the City of Naga was established on June 18, 1920.
And that's today, so this is the 68th Republic Act of Naga City.
Siyempre, it's nice to know why we're celebrating our anniversary.
And so we're not just watching the performance here, we're also taking our lessons, history lessons to be specific.
And also, we're talaga namang chine-cherish natin ang ating heritage, lalo't na ngayon ay charter anniversary. So ayan, wag na natin patagalin. For our next contestant, we have
Rise Up!
Buong katapatan nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas.
Put your weapons down and hands up. And just turn back. Repeat. And just turn back. What are you doing? Get up. Get up. Get up. Come on, boy. Are you ready? Ready? Let's go. On these shields, boys! You alright?
Hands
Come on, let's
Bubbly, bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly. Make the trumpets, make the trumpet. Make the trumpets blow.
Con los terroristas. Con los terroristas.
and do the Harlem Show.
I don't get it.
Well, you got one now. Kung gusto mo sumabay sa amin, makinig yan ang tamang gawin. Mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, handa na ba ito ang dapat isigaw? One time for the motherland, two for the brown man, three stars and that's how you palakpakan everyone. So come on everybody, let's all take a stand and bring it back again. One time for the motherland. Kung gusto mo sumabay sa amin, makinig yan ang tamang gawin. Mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, handa na ba ito ang dapat isigaw? One time for the motherland, two for the brown man, three stars and that's how you palakpakan everyone. So come on everybody, let's all take a stand and bring it back again. One time for the motherland.
Make the trumpets blow.
Yan! Maraming salamat sa napaka-astig and energetic performance. Once again, it's contestant number 7, Rise Up!
Yan, ang partner was reminded by their camouflage. So, nais kong pasalamatan in behalf of the organizers, ang ating public safety office as well as sa mga police natin dyan. Maraming salamat. Yes, not just for tonight but for the entire security of the city. So, maraming salamat po, sir.
So yan, partner, wag na natin patagalin. Sino nga bang ating next contestant?
Yan, kilalanin natin ang ating next contestant. Tingnan natin ang VTR on my right.
Roll VTR.
Ayan, we're having another...
stage, partner!
Yes, we're having small technical difficulties.
So yan, partner, siguro, let's use this opportunity to thank our sponsor.
Yan, once again, pasalamatan natin ang mga tao sa likod ng great and remarkable event na ito. Without them, this event would not be possible and successful. So maraming salamat. First thing first, to the city government of Naga, headed by our beloved Mayor, Honorable John G. Bongad.
Siyempre, our city events, protocol and public information office, headed by Mr. Alan Leodanga, and our co-sponsors. Yes, partners, in ating first
We have here the Barangay 101.5, Tugstugena.
We also have Boardwalk Naga.
We have the GNN TV 48 Naga.
Again, hi kay Kuya Mike for capturing this moment.
Also, we have our official tabulator. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan sila, but thank you, STI College Naga.
And we are also live at www.imjinteractive.com.
Andun pala yung ating official tabulator sa likod ng ating judges.
Kaway, guys, para
So, thank you so much. Yan, ang ating mga mathematicians. ang production staff at ang ating committee, ang ating mga unsung heroes that they toiled without seeking for rest, mga apinian siguro.
And our Sepio staff and production staff. Siyempre, pasalamatan din natin ang ating judges, partner.
Maraming salamat. So again, let's watch the VTR!
Bale, ang pangalan po ng grupo namin is No Limit. Bale, compose kami ng mga out of school youth, may mga nagtatrabaho na rin, tsaka may mga estudyante po galing from Biscas University. Bale, most of the difficulties po is conflict sa oras kasi nga may mga estudyante. Tapos tulad ko, may trabaho po ako. Panggabi yung trabaho ko. Medyo nagko-conflict kami kasi sa schedule. Kalimitan naman po kasi yung mga nag-aaral is morning shift sila nung uli. Tapos ako naman pang midnight yung work ko. Nag-start ako ng trabaho is 10. Tapos sila 6 p.m. almost lahat po sa amin labas na. Kaya nag-meet up kami ng 6 to 9. Yun na po yung practice namin. Mabait. Makulit.
Big round of applause to the group No Limit!
So ayan, ito na talaga. Wala nang makakapigil pa. Once again, it's No Limit!
El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo.
Twink, twink, color, color, twink, twink. Color, twink, twink, color, color, twink, twink.
Oh, this is nigga.
Color, color, twink, twink.
With no words on it.
Twink, twink,
Okay. I'm here. Get him. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. Give me the loot.
¿Qué pasa, amigo? ¿Qué pasa, amigo? I'm back in it, bitch. Hit the head game is right in that pussy, feel good, throw a ring in that bitch. Walk in the club with this African bitch. Give me the loot. Check this out.
Stop the music. Stop the motherfucking music.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Well, I just might take you home with call that all
this motherfucker boy. We ride shotty and chopper boy. Me have links all over the world. I'm sicker than bipolar. Extension banana. See money hotter than a lava. Here you take come on, yeah.
Come on, rude boy, can you get it up?
Tell them any day, I will want them anyway. I don't come in belly with the young skelly stand up with the rifle. Taller than the rifle. If you make a move, I put a shot in your Michael.
Good luck.
I wanna shoot, baby, shoot.
Ooh, how you doing, baby?
Thank you so much. No Limit Dance Group.
Trumpets blow.
Yes, No Limit ang performance. Parang pagmamahal ko sa'yo, No Limit. Anyway, let's use the official hashtag sa mga nagpo-post na dyan. Meron na kaming mga nakita. Thank you so much. Our official hashtag is hashtag Naga Charter Aniv Dance Supremacy 2016.
So ayan, may narinig na ako siya. I guess partner, ready na sila. So for our next contestant, let us get to know more about them. So let's watch this video. Roll VTR.
Kami po ang BND na 3 buwan na po kaming sumasayaw. Bago lang rin po kami, parang yung una namin pagsama medyo nahirapan kami handlein kasi magkakaiba kami ng galaw. May mga galing sa jazzer, hip-hop, may mga baguhin din po. Iba-iba rin po, mga kaibigan ko rin po, mga dati kong kagrupo. Yung iba po mga nagtatrabaho, yung iba po na minsan po.
The BND!
What's my name? Ride or die? Come on! Bing of 'em, bing of 'em, bing of 'em. Bing of 'em, bing of 'em, bing of 'em. Bing of 'em, bing of 'em, bing of 'em. Bing of 'em making me to care about. Bing of 'em making me to care about. Thought I was dead. That's my fam, I'll hold them down forever. Us against the world, we can battle who. Together ain't no way we gon' fail. You know I got your back, just like a turtle shell. Woo! Back, we go. Back.
It's my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around, to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's tricky, 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 tricky. It's tricky to rock around, to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's tricky, 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 tricky. You don't like me? I don't like you. You don't like me, nigga. I don't like you. Go, 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 go. I don't like
haters.
Put your fists up. Represent that shit. Represent that shit. You don't like me. I don't like you. You don't like me. I don't like you. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like you. Fight music. Bend over, making me to care both. Bend over, making me trumpets blow.
Yan, once again, maraming salamat sa ating night contestant, PND. A round of applause, guys!
Palakpakan natin, and we're down! We're down to our last... Yes! We're down to our last performer, ladies and gentlemen! So wag na natin patagalin pa! Let us all watch the video of our last performer!
Kami mag-isang taon na. Actually, ang J Company ay binubuo ng halos mga estudyante at ang iba naman ay may mga working experience na din. Yung hindi pagkakaunawaan ng bawat isa. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, binibigyan kami ng rason para masolve namin yun kaagad. Abangan na lang nila kung ano yung pasabog na inihanda namin. Hindi lang para sa finals, para din sa mga manunod. We dedicated this first in our God, pangalawa yung mga family namin at syempre kita tayo.
Again, let's all welcome on stage
The J Company!
I have been waiting to tell.
Slipping,
Make the trumpets blow.
Thank you so much, J Company. Yan, they are the last but definitely not the least. At ayan, ba't nag-aalisa na kayo? Kung makikita nyo, may costume ang ating performers. May costume kami at ang organizers. So we will give you costumes as well.
Nakikita
So
niyo ba
ayan
ang
mo.
shirt na to?
Nakita niyo ba?
You have a chance to win this shirt!
Yes, to win this shirt, of course, we shall not defeat the purpose of this event to commemorate or to celebrate the 68th charter anniversary of NAGA. In lieu of this, we would be asking questions. And any brave soul who knows the answer, kindly come here on stage and give us the correct answer. So ayan, ready na ba sa ating first question?
Ready na ba kayo? Sino gusto manalo ng t-shirt?
Napakagandang t-shirt. Very proud na Genyo.
So ayan, simulan natin partner. May question ako.
Paunahan to ha, paunahan umakyat sa stage if you know the answer.
So ayan, ano ang oldest cathedral outside Metro Manila still standing here in Luzon? This cathedral is built in 1573. Sino nakakalam na cathedral na to?
Oldest cathedral!
Clue
Mukhang
nasa
mahirap,
Naga, come on
partner!
stage!
Pumunta sa stage yung gusto ng t-shirt. Ayan,
Yes!
sayang nito. Meron tayong
Gusto mo, kuya? Gusto
hagdan
mo?
on right and
Come on
on
stage,
left. Come
kuya!
on stage, kuya. Meron tayong
Right,
hagdan dun sa
kuya!
left. Huwag ka dyan, kuya, kasi wala tayong insurance sa ating mga audience. Punta na sa stage, kuya.
Stage para makita
Habang
ang
wala pa,
face
ano
mo.
ang oldest cathedral?
Palakpakan
Punta
naman,
dito,
guys!
punta. T-shirt, guys. Napakagandang
May
design.
pagka-parkour si kuya. Ano na si kuya?
Ayan, come here, kuya.
Good evening, kuya!
State your name and from what barangay.
Occupy the center stage, kuya!
My name is Hubert.
I'm Sam, okay? Ayan, kuya, ano sa tingin? Anong name mo muna? Pakilala ka muna sa ating audience.
My name is Hubert Arauco.
Ay,
Single ba? Mukhang may mga babae dyan. Single ba?
Taken.
taken! Sorry, girls. Taken na daw po. Sample, anong sample mo kuya? May humihingi na sample sa ating viewers.
Masampol ako pero kay Banang Sinda. Gita!
Ay, baka nahihiya si kuya. Sige, tanungin na lang kita, kuya. Ano sa tingin mo yung cathedral na binilt noong 1573 and is the oldest cathedral outside Metro Manila here in Luzon?
Pagsala-sala na eh.
Ha?
Quiapo.
Quiapo. Clue. Isa pa, kuya. Hindi kita pakakawalan. Isa pa ang clue. Nasa Naga siya.
O sabi kaya sala.
Wala lisip
Let the trumpets blow.
Kuya, answer. Kuya, ano answer? Ayan, help a friend ba? Ayan! So, ang tama answer is the Naga Metropolitan Cathedral.
Yan.
So,
Thank you so much. You have a shirt. Yan. Since first question pa lang yun, binigyan namin siya ng chance na sumagot sa the second time around. Sa susunod na mga questions, one answer lang. Pag mali, we would give chance to other people as well.
Ayan, partner, ang next question.
Next question, kung nakikinig kayo sa akin kanina, bakit Naga ang pangalan ng ating pinakamamahal na syudad? Come here on stage!
Come on
Bilis,
stage!
bilis, bilis,
Paunahan sa
paunahan!
stage!
Paunahan, sayang ng t-shirt na ito!
Wala, ang ganda-ganda pa ng t-shirt. Saan natin yung t-shirt? Ayan! Hi,
We have
Kuya!
here, Kuya! Anong pangalan ni Kuya?
Darso Labario po.
From Barangay?
From Barangay Gudal. Kasawa.
Okay. O kuya, ano yung sagot sa question ni Kuya Jello?
Bali kasi ang narinig ko kanina, alam ko, Nara.
Nara! Tama ba?
Let the trumpets blow.
Congratulations, Kuya! You won a t-shirt!
Artista ka na! Nakita na tayo sa TV! Kaway, kaway! We still have 3 t-shirts here! Sino pa ang gusto? Nasa kamay!
Ayan! Sa mga gusto ito, madali na lang ang question. Last year, na-award ang Naga as, fill in the blanks, most blank independent city.
Yan, come here on stage! Huwag taas kamay! Hindi mo classroom! Paunahan! Lumapit sa amin! Sino ba na? Oh, we have here! Yes! So, mga magkakilala kayo, pakilala mo naman sa amin, partner!
Galing kami sa barangay ko, nagpakilala ka po.
Hi! What's your name?
Claudia.
A very beautiful name and face as well.
By night.
Papalitan na kita, partner.
No.
Wag nang intrigahin. So, anong sagot natin sa most blank city of the Philippines?
Component.
Tama ba, partner?
May kulang pa, isa na lang.
Most blank city in the Philippines.
Component and independent. Independent, I got.
I-accept ba natin, sir?
Sir Alan, i-accept ba?
Medyo may mali. 2 C. Last chance. 2 C.
Yung unang C po.
Most, tama na yung, yung component yung sinabi niya, di ba?
Yung component
Most
independent.
blank component city of Naga, of the Philippines rather.
Competitive.
Competitive!
Let the trumpets blow.
Thank you so much, Yay! Tadang! And we still have 2 t-shirts here.
Ayan, for our last question, partner, what's our last question?
Our last questions. Actually, 2 question siya, pero napakadaling question. First, ilang barangay meron sa Naga City and give at least 5 barangays from there. Ilang barangay? Ay, sorry. Pero kung mali ang sagot, si Nanay ang ating i-entertain. So standby ka lang muna, Nanay. Introduce yourself first. Your name is?
Jonathan Mid.
Jonathan. Hi, Jonathan from Barangay?
Tabuko.
Tabuko, kaway-kaway. Live tayo sa TV. Barangay Tabuko, hi. Ilang barangay meron sa Naga City?
Ulit po.
Ilang barangay meron sa Naga City?
27 barangay.
27. For our next question, give at least 5.
5. Dawa ano po?
Dawa ano? 5 barangay.
Tabuko, Triangulo, Lerma, Mabolo, Sabang.
Let the trumpets blow.
Thank you so much. You have your t-shirt. opportunity to thank the organizer for inviting us. Yung mga friends ko dyan, hi! Yan. And for our last t-shirt.
Oh, ito! Madali-dali na lang to, partner!
Yes.
Malakasan ng sigaw! So kung aling side na may pinakamalakas na sigaw, doon
Itatapon namin
ng
ito.
t-shirt!
Let the trumpets
So,
blow.
ang isisigaw, wait! Ang isisigaw nyo is Happy Anniversary Naga!
Charter anniversary,
Yes, Happy
partner!
Charter Anniversary Naga! 1, 2, 3, go! Happy Charter Anniversary Naga! Medyo mahina, isa pa! Happy
this side,
Charter!
partner, check
Medyo
natin.
malakas dito.
This side! 1,
2, 3, go! Happy Charter Anniversary Naga! Medyo mahina! Doon sa side!
Left sides! Oh, dito naman,
sa right
dito
side!
naman!
1, 2, 3, go! Happy Charter Anniversary Naga!
Mas
Dito
malakas
naman
na
sa
konti.
gitna!
Dito, tingnan natin dito!
1, 2, 3, go! So, ayan! Oh,
Let the trumpets blow.
Before we award the winners for our Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016, may we please call on stage Mr. Alan Leonanga, our Chief of Office, Sebio, and Mr. Jeff Erson, our project head and organizer for this year's Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016.
Again, we call for the awarding of certificates of appreciation to the Board of Judges. Tinatawagan namin si
Mr. Alan Rayon Danga and our syempre, ang ating project head, Mr. Jeff Erson.
So ayan, to extend our deepest gratitude to our honorable judges, citation reads, Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016 Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to for the invaluable support rendered in sharing his wisdom and expertise as one of the competent board of judges during the Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016 Charter Anniversary Dance Showdown. Given this 18th day of June 2016 at the Plaza Quezon, Naga City, Philippines. Signed by our events coordinator, the Sepio, Sir Jefferson D. Acas,
Our office chief in Sepio, Mr. Alan L. Riondanga, and of course, our city mayor,
Honorable John G. Bongat. So let's give a big round of applause to our first judge, Sir Francis Raymond Fernandez. Once again, to give the certificate, tinatawagan natin si
Mr. Francis Raymond Fernandez, our first judge.
To be assisted by Mr. Alan Rayon Danga, the Chief of Office, together with Sir Jeff Erson. Achas. Sorry.
Ayan, for our next judge, may we call on stage Mr. Junar Narsolis. Please come on stage, sir. Once again, thank you for judging this year's Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016. Next, may we call our third judge, Miss Gabriel Nicole Garchi-Torena. Ayan, looking beautiful. Thank you, ma'am, for judging this year's event. Next, we call Mr. Roy San Ramon. Once again, Mr. Roy San Ramon, thank you for giving your time and effort for this year's activity. Last but definitely not least, Mr. Alfred Arangurin II. giving your time and effort for judging this year's event.
Yan, maraming salamat sa ating judges. Dati sila yung mga nagpe-perform. And also, we would like to extend our gratitude to our official tabulator. Partner, kindly read the citation.
Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to STI Naga for the invaluable support rendered in sharing his or her wisdom and expertise as one of the competent tabulators during the Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016 Charter Anniversary Dance Showdown, given this 18th day of June 2016 at the Plaza Quezon, Naga City. Signed, Mr. Jefferson Achas, Mr. Allen Riondanga, and our Honorable John G.
Maraming salamat, STI College. Thank you so much. And I have here the result.
Here we go! Ito na talaga ang highlight ng ating
Nasa
event.
mahiwagang papel na ito ang sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. Sa tingin nyo, sinong mananalong dance performers?
Sino ang ating grand champion? Ano ulit?
Ayan, so para masagot ang ating mga
Let's see kung
katanungan.
tama nga sila.
And before we announce the 3 winners, pasalamatan natin ang ating participants. You are all winners kasi you've win the elimination round. You are already the top 10. It's just that we need to choose the top 3 for formality. So ayan, palakpakan natin ang ating mga performers.
And
Yan.
syempre talagang binigyan nila tayo ang ating judges ng git-git na laban kanina.
Maraming salamat sa mga pumapalakpak at sa mga hindi. Maraming salamat pa din. Ayan, we have here the result. And announcement pala, dito sa result, may nag-tie. So, in order to
may
break the
tie.
tie, we have the chairman of the board of judges. So, ayan, so napakagaling talaga ng mga performers natin. May nag-tie, but the chairman of the board break the tie.
Yes, talagang kailangan isa lang ang manalo.
And after this, yung mga dance performers or yung mga manager nyo, you can approach Sir Jeff to see the score and result for fairness. Ayan, thank you so much.
Once
We
again,
have the second placer.
Ayan,
May drum
sino
roll
kaya?
ba tayo?
May drum roll ba tayo?
Dun, 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 dun. Our second placer.
Sabay tayo, partner!
Our second place
placer
goes to BNB.
Make the trumpets blow.
Punta ka dito, BNB. 5,000 Philippine peso. Ayan. Manlibre naman kayo mamaya.
Once
Punta ka
again, we
dito.
request on stage BNB to please claim their award.
Ayaw nyo ba ng 5,000 nyo? Ako na lang kukuha nito.
Magra-running man kami dito para lang sa 5,000.
Yes, we have here a representative from BNB.
Once again, congratulations, sir.
And again, to award and to
Award.
give the cash, may we call on stage Mr. Allen Riondanga, the Chief of Office of the CEPIO,
And
Sir
Mr. Jefferson,
the
our
project head and organizer. Again, our winner would be receiving, our second placer rather, would be receiving 5,000 Philippine pesos.
Yes, congratulations, Kuya, and sa team mo for winning this year's second place.
Yes. Mukhang nag-iisa ka na lang, Kuya. Interviewin muna natin. Ano masasabi mo na nag-top 3 kayo out of many performers ngayong gabi?
Imposible nga po eh, pero ginawa din po namin yung best namin. Kasi
Wow, talaga
dapat-
naman nag-effort, Kuya.
dapat sana po, hindi lang to ang gusto namin makuha eh, pero ito lang po yung binigay. So, okay lang po to sa amin, basta okay na po kami sa kahit ang namin makuha.
Yes, it's not
Yes.
impossible kasi the word itself say I'm possible. Maraming salamat and congratulations.
Ayan! So, it's time to announce our first placer. Sino sa tingin nyo ang ating first placer tonight? Yan, speechless ba?
Sino kaya ang ating first placer? And to clear, may first placer tayo. Then we have the champion, the supreme dancer of Naga City.
So, partner, let's announce it together for our
First placer, drum roll. Our first Trailblazer is no other than No Limit! Yes, yes. Ayun ang cash pa, mga kaibigan. Yay! Balato, balato. 8,000 yan. Malinaw na 8,000. Eto na. Picture na, picture.
Picture daw, picture.
Sir, picture daw tayo. Ayan.
Pitas ba?
Kami kasali.
Tayo, sali.
Yay! Kasali daw tayo. Patag na lang. Use our official hashtag. Yes, congratulations once again sa ating No Limit.
Ayan, it's time to announce our Supreme Dancer for tonight.
Yes, the Supreme Dancer for tonight. Our Supreme Dance Group will receive 12,000 cash plus gift certificates. So ayan. O, bago natin i-announce, pasalamatan ulit natin ang ating mga sponsors, mga kaibigan.
Once again, headed by Honorable John G. Bongat.
Our City Events Protocol and Public Information Office, headed by Mr. Alan L. Riondanga.
Our co-sponsors, Barangay 101.5 Tugstugan na.
GNN TV48 Naga, thank you sir.
SBI College Naga, our official tabulator.
IMJ Interactive.
Na live naman tayo.
And we also have our committee and production staff, the unsung heroes of this event.
Project Head, Mr. Jefferson, and organizer for this year's Naga City Dance Supremacy 2016. Ayan! Ito na!
Siyempre, ang ating staff partner, pasalamatan natin.
Production staff and CEPIO staff that without them, this event would not be possible.
Mary Jean Busikit
From
IMJ Interactive.
And syempre ang ating cameraman from Gen NTV48 Daga.
Yan, maraming salamat. Sir Cedric Kayabyab.
Sir Mike.
Sir Mike and Miss Zaida.
Chloe, Ian Mar, Reynold, Ray, Vic, Bert, June, Shermay, Ermi, Kuya Lito, and Tio Pep.
Make the trumpets blow.
Oh, yeah.
Yan, so let's give them gratitude because this event would not be possible without their effort. So ayan, we're down to our champion for tonight's event.
Tama na ating thrillers.
Yeah, they have undergone the elimination round, the final battle. At sila yung outstanding performer. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Madaming sinisigaw kasi lahat naman talaga panalo. It's just that we have to choose one. So ladies and gentlemen, our champion is
no other than
the J-Dog!